A very recent pair of research studies from IDG sheds even more light upon the fixation on cloud computing, which, if anything, is accelerating after several years of steady growth. In addition, these studies show another emerging trend that I think is particularly encouraging, namely that cloud planning and deployments continue to showcase the primacy of IT in cloud decision-making. First, let's peek at the key findings in the 2013 IDG Cloud Computing Research, as well as the CIO Magazine Economic Outlook poll. IT budgets are continuing to grow, albeit modestly, with the biggest increases going to, you guessed it, new cloud initiatives. And these budgets remain primarily controlled by IT. What's better, even when other departments purchase and deploy technology, IT remains closely involved at various levels. I mean, how else are reason, order, and a comprehensive view of IT strategy going to be maintained if IT is not very closely involved? This tells me that today reason really is prevailing. On the cloud research side, cloud spending is accelerating. Now this tells me that initial cloud experiences are yielding the dividends and the ROI the organization had expected, though for many early cloud apps that probably means cost savings. In fact, the study found that lower TCO topped the list of selling points for both private and public cloud. However, these initial positive experiences and additional funding going for even more cloud spending will lead to broader cloud deployments and, eventually, to the real holy grail of cloud. And that is business agility, getting to market faster with mission-critical applications that yield real competitive advantages. In mirroring the Economic Outlook study, IDG's cloud study also found that IT is involved more than any other discrete group of decision makers when it comes to cloud deployments. Now, if I were to make any suggestions or recommendations based upon what I observed leading-edge organizations doing with cloud, it would be to actively incorporate mobile strategies into cloud planning. It won't be long before the lion's share of data is accessed, processed, and shared on mobile devices, usually outside the usual security perimeter of the organization. Set the best minds in IT at your organization to the task of figuring out how mobile will play into every cloud deployment on your IT agenda. For IDG, I'm Bill Laberes.